What's going on, everyone? This is Top Primetime Breaks, Top Supreme 2011 Football Hobby Box Break. Gonna pull some good stuff out of this. Here we go. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright. Alright, let's start with, up first we have DeMarco Murray, number 28 out of 75 for the Cowboys. Rookie. Maurice Jones-Drew, Jaguars, number 426 of 429. Next we have Chris Johnson, number 270 of 429. And our hit is a beautiful Michael Turner patch auto, number 25 of 50. Nice hit for the Falcons right there. Let's go over everything one more time here. Recap everything. DeMarco Murray, hit of 28 out of 75 for the Cowboys. Chris Johnson, Titans, number 170 of 429. All running backs, I just realized. Maurice Jones-Drew, 426 of 429. And Michael Turner, patch auto, number 25 of 50. Appreciate everybody coming out and joining us for tonight for the Primetime Breaks 2011 Top Supreme Hobby Box Break. Y'all have a good one.